everybody, this is EVCraftStone and welcome to my YouTube video. Today we'll be playing with my dog. So yeah, that's the dog that's right over there. Sorry about that, my hand was in the way. Yeah, sorry, ignore what's in the sky. Anywho, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe, and please tell your friends and your please tell your friends to watch my videos, and if you think my videos are funny, comment below. And I'll be making Minecraft videos and GTA and Fortnite. Alright then, well, here we go. What are you doing? What are you doing, sweetie? Sweetie, what are you doing? Go on. Chase me! Chase me! Chase me! No. Yeah. So as you can see, so the first thing we're gonna do is Angel likes to play with this ball down here. As you can see, she just went right after it. Yeah, she really likes that ball, but if you kick it, okay, it turns out my dog is after a bee. Because and I don't know how long this video is going to be, and my battery is going to be low, so I'm going to probably be doing some editing. Up, there she goes. Come here, Angel. Come here. No, she's not listening. No, you're not listening. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hey. Don't gnaw on that. She guys has a stick in here. Which takes something. Hi, sweetie. Hey, get that stick out of your mouth. Sorry, my voice sounds like Stampy. I don't know why, but I just do the same thing. Yeah, it clearly seems that I know you're probably thinking that this video is if you think this video a little bit weird, because me and my sister, we do this one game, but since she's in the house trying to create a YouTube channel, I don't know if she wants to, but I tell her that it's so I'll be right back in a second. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah. So sorry about this video. I'm gonna probably end the video right now. So like and subscribe. Shut the fuck up! Look, she's an idiot. All right.
I'm telling Mom that you were doing her.
All right. See you guys later. Bye.